So what's going on, guys? I'm about 95% done with this Promodeler servo install. I just got to tidy up. I got my battery tray in the mail today, so it'll go right here. And I conveniently misplaced it. It's around here somewhere. There it is. I'm already trying to figure out some straps for it. But you got those two little mounting holes there, and it fits in quite nicely. You just set it right there. It comes with 2 screws. It'll sit good right there. Get your straps up for your little battery that I got nestled in right here. And then I got a 3-inch servo extension coming from the receiver up out here. I'm going to zip tie this a little bit nicely along this rail right here. And everything will be plugged in back there. You can see, you hear the fan going. Do a little dancing on the table. But it's a moving. There's definitely some little Dremel work you got to do, but it's not really that bad once you get it figured out. And that servo horn has to just be tied in there just right. But between those two things, it's really not all that bad. Of course, you know, just remembering how to put it all back together. But hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to let it rip a little bit. But my work here is done tonight. Just one little more little dance for you. Just throwing stuff.